parabola is the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and fixed point in the plane. The length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to 4a, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 is the length of lattice rectum. There are 4 possible orientations of parabolas. You know the equation of a parabola in the standard form is y square is equal to 4ax. Equation of directrix is y is equal to plus a. Equation of lattice rectum is y is equal to minus a, and length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today I am going to discuss regarding parabola of various types. So parabola of opening left, parabola of opening right side, as well as parabola of opening upwards and downwards. So based on that, we are going to solve the problems in this session. Let us know regarding parabola. What is parabola? Parabola is the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and fixed point in the plane. So set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line. This is the fixed line. So which are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane. So that fixed point is called as the focus and the fixed line is called as the directrix. That means parabola is the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane. The fixed line is called as the directrix and the fixed point is called as the focus. So therefore this is called the directrix L, the fixed line, and this is the fixed point that is called as the focus. So the distance, that is parabola is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line to the fixed point. So from this fixed point to the fixed line, they are equal. That means let us consider a point. P is any point on the curve. Suppose this is the curve. Let P1, P2, P3 are any points on the curve. F is the focus. B1, B2, B3 are any points on the fixed line. Now let us consider L is the fixed line, that is called as the directrix, and F is the focus. On the curve, draw a curve. On the curve, P1, P2, P3 are any 3 points, whereas B1, B2, B3 are any 3 points on the fixed line. Now here the distance from P1 to F is equal to P1 to B1. So the distance from this distance P1F is equal to B1. Similarly, the distance from P2 to F is also equal to P2B2. And the distance from P3 to F is also equal to P3 to B3. So that means the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point to the fixed line. So P1F is equal to P1B1. Similarly, P2F is equal to P2B2 and P3F is equal to B3. Now by knowing this, let us know regarding the standard equation of a parabola. So there are 4 possible orientations of parabolas. You know the equation of a parabola in the standard form is y square is equal to 4ax. So y square is equal to 4x is the equation of a parabola in the standard form, which is opening towards the right side. That is, the axis of the parabola is positive x-axis and the directrix L is the directrix. So here the focus F is equal to, the focus of this is given by a comma 0 and the equation of the directrix is x is equal to minus a, and the length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, right. So this is the equation of a parabola which is opening towards the right side, right, that is right side of a parabola. For this parabola, vertex is equal to 0, 0 is the origin, that is the vertex, and the axis of the parabola is x-axis is the axis, and the focus is a comma 0, and the directrix is x is equal to minus a, and this is the length of lattice rectum. L dash is the length of lattice rectum, L dash, and the length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. The coordinates of ends of lattice rectum are a comma 2a, and this is equal to a comma minus 2a. So L is equal to, the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum are a comma 2a and L dash is equal to a comma minus 2a, right. So the equation of the lattice rectum equation of lattice rectum is x is equal to a is the equation of lattice rectum. That's it. Okay. By knowing this, move on to the second one. The equation of a parabola in the form y square is equal to minus 4ax. So the parabola which is opening towards the left side, the axis of the parabola is x-axis. Axis is equal to x-axis, and the vertex in this case is vertex is equal to 0, 0, and the focus S or f is equal to minus a, 0, and the equation of directrix is x is equal to a. X is equal to plus a is the equation of directrix, right? And the length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, and equation of lattice rectum in this case is x is equal to minus a, and the ends of lattice rectum L and L dash. So these are the ends of lattice rectum. So L and L dash. So L is equal to minus a, 2a, and L dash is equal to minus a, minus 2a. So therefore the ends of lattice rectum L is equal to minus a, 2a, and L dash is equal to minus a, minus 2a are the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum for a parabola which is opening towards the left hand side, that is left side. Parabola opening left, that is left hand side of the parabola, right? So first one is the parabola opening right side, another one is the parabola opening left side. Now let us move on to the third case. Now if the axes are interchanged, then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. So here the axis of the parabola is y-axis. The axis of the parabola is y-axis, and the equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a. And this is a parabola opening upwards. So parabola which is opening upwards, this is the focus, and the focus of this parabola is given by focus is equal to 0, a. So the focus for this parabola opening upwards is S or f is equal to 0, a. Equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a is the equation of directrix. This is the directrix. Equation of the directrix is y is equal to minus a. Therefore the parabola is opening upwards. Length of lattice rectum. The length of lattice rectum is 4. Equation of lattice rectum is y is equal to plus a. So equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a. Equation of lattice rectum is y is equal to plus a, and length of lattice rectum is 4a, right? LLR. Now the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum. So this is L and L dash. So the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum is this is 2a, a, and minus 2a, a are the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum. So therefore L is equal to, I can write here, therefore the coordinates and ends of lattice rectum L is equal to 2a, a, and L dash is equal to minus 2a, a for a parabola which is opening upwards. Now the last case is, so equation of the parabola x square is equal to minus 4ay, a parabola which is opening downwards. So for this the axis is y-axis, axis of the parabola is y-axis, and equation of directrix is y is equal to a is the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is y is equal to a, and the focus S is equal to S or f is equal to 0, minus a is the focus. Therefore the parabola which is opening downwards direction, right? Now the length of lattice rectum, as usual, length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. Equation of lattice rectum is so y is equal to minus a is the equation of lattice rectum. Equation of directrix is y is equal to plus a. Equation of lattice rectum is y is equal to minus a, and length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. And the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum, this is L and L dash. So the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum are, this is 2a, minus a, and this is negative side minus 2a, minus a, both are negative, right? Therefore the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum L is equal to 2a, minus a, and L dash is equal to minus 2a comma minus a. These are different types of parabola. So, a parabola opening right side, left side, or a parabola opening upwards or downwards, right. Now, based on this, let us move on to the characteristics of a parabola. So, parabola is symmetric with respect to the axis of the parabola. So, with respect to the axis of the parabola, a parabola is symmetric. So, it is symmetric with respect to the axis of the parabola. When the axis of the symmetry is along the x-axis, then the parabola opens right if it is positive, left it is negative. So, if the axis is along the x-axis, then the parabola will open right if x is positive and left if x is negative. So, therefore, here the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, here y square is equal to minus 4ax, which is along the x-axis. So, along the x-axis, right if the parabola is positive, left if the parabola is negative. Similarly, when the axis of symmetry is along the y-axis, then the parabola opens upwards and downwards if it is positive and negative. So, therefore, if x square is equal to 4ay, then the parabola will opens upwards, downwards means x square is equal to minus 4ay, right. So, when the axis of symmetry is along the y-axis, then the parabola opens upwards if a is positive and downwards if a is negative, that is x square is equal to plus 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. The standard equation of the parabola have the focus on one coordinate axis, vertex at the origin, and thereby the directrix is parallel to the other coordinate axis, right. Now, let us know regarding next property, that is lattice rectum. What is a lattice rectum? Here this L dash is called the lattice rectum, and L dash are the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum. L dash is called the length of lattice rectum. So, here the line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So, this is the axis. So, this is the x-axis and a line segment, this is the line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. A line segment which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola through the focus and whose end points lies on the parabola. So, which passes to the focus and the end points lies on the parabola is called as the lattice rectum. So, in the diagram, L dash is the lattice rectum, and the coordinates are ends of lattice rectum L and L dash. So, the length of lattice rectum is always given by 4a, length of lattice rectum. So, the length of lattice rectum is always equal to 4a, and the ends of lattice rectum in this case L is equal to a comma 2a and L dash is equal to a comma minus 2a in this particular case. Now, move on to the next. So, by knowing this, let us take few problems based on this. Now, find the coordinates of the focus, axis of the parabola, the equation of the directrix and length of lattice rectum for the curve y square is equal to 8x. Now, comparing with the standard equation, these are all simple problems for 2 marks. Comparing with standard equation, y square is equal to 4ax, 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So, therefore, the focus S is equal to a comma 0, that is nothing but 2 comma 0. Now, the axis of the parabola is x-axis. Focus is, yes, the axis of the parabola is x-axis, and the vertex is 0 comma 0. Equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a, that is x is equal to minus 2 is the equation of the directrix, right, directrix. And the length of lattice rectum. So, the length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to 4a, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 is the length of lattice rectum, that is it. So, focus, axis, the equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum. Suppose if you want to write the diagram for this, this is a parabola which is opening right side, this is x-axis and y-axis, the vertex 0 comma 0. Since what is the directrix? The directrix is x is equal to minus 2. This is the directrix, x is equal to minus 2. So, the focus, what is the focus? Focus is 2 comma 0. So, this is 2 comma 0, this is the focus, S is 2 comma 0. So a parabola opening right side like this is the parabola, and the length of latus rectum, this is length of latus rectum, and L and L dash. If you want to find out the coordinates of L and L dash, so L is equal to a comma 2a. So if you want to write L is equal to a comma 2a. A is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, this is 2 comma 4, and L dash is equal to x is positive, y is negative, 2 comma minus 4. So these are the ends of latus rectum. This is the shape of the curve, a parabola which is opening right side. Okay. Now, next, move on to the next problem. Y square is equal to minus 8x. Now, comparing with y square is equal to minus 4ax. So here coefficient of a is, that is 4a is equal to minus 8, minus and minus gets cancelled, 8. So a is equal to 8 by 4, this is also equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Okay. Now, here this is of the form y square is equal to minus 4x, that is the parabola opening leftwards. The axis of the parabola is, axis is x-axis, and the vertex is equal to 0 comma 0. Right. Now, first write down the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is x is equal to plus a, that is x is equal to 2. Okay. And then the length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, that is 4 into 2 is 8. So the length of latus rectum, focus f or s is equal to minus a comma 0, that's equal to minus 2 comma 0 is the focus. Okay. If you want to write the diagram, just you can write. So this is the parabola. So the directrix is x is equal to plus 2 right side. So the parabola which is opening left side. So this is the length of latus rectum, L and L dash, and the focus, this is the focus, s is equal to minus 2 comma 0. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. X square is equal to 6y. Now comparing with x square is equal to 4ay. So here 4a is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 by 4, that's equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. Now the axis of the parabola is, so since this is x square is equal to 4ay, the axis of the parabola is y-axis, and the vertex is equal to 0 comma 0 is the vertex. Right. Directrix of the parabola is y is equal to minus a, that is y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the focus s is equal to 0 comma a, that's equal to 0 comma 3 by 2 is the focus. Now the length of latus rectum is 4a, that is 4 into 3 by 2, that is nothing but 2 into 3 is 6. The length of latus rectum is 6. Okay. And the equation of latus rectum is y is equal to a, that is y is equal to 3 by 2. So equation of latus rectum is y is equal to 3 by 2, and the directrix is minus 3 by 2. So this is a parabola which is opening upward. Now move on to the next problem. X square is equal to minus 16y. Now comparing with the standard equation, x square is equal to minus 4ay. Here 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 16 by 4, that's equal to 4, a is equal to 4. The axis of the parabola is, again y-axis. The axis of the parabola is y-axis, and the vertex is 0 comma 0. Right. And the directrix, equation of directrix is, so equation of directrix is y is equal to a, that is y is equal to 4 is the equation of the directrix. Now the focus for this is, focus f or s is equal to 0 comma minus a, that's equal to 0 comma minus 4. Now the length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, that is 4 into 4, that's equal to 16. And the equation of latus rectum is y is equal to minus a, that's equal to minus 4. Equation of a latus rectum is y is equal to minus a, y is equal to minus 4. Equation of directrix is y is equal to plus a, that is plus 4. That's it. Okay. I hope you followed. Next, move on to the next type of problem. So here the points are given. We have to find the equation of the parabola depending upon the given points. Find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given condition. First one, focus 2, 0 and the directrix is x is equal to minus 2. So what is given here? Given focus s is equal to 2, 0. That is nothing but a, 0. So therefore a is equal to 2. And the directrix x is equal to minus 2 means x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a. That means the axis of the parabola is x-axis. X-axis is the axis. X-axis is the axis. Since directrix is minus a means therefore the parabola is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So that is a parabola opening right side. So therefore the required equation of the curve is y square is equal to 4 into 2 into x, that is y square is equal to 8x. That's it. Okay. So since this is positive, x a is equal to positive, therefore the equation of the parabola is on x-axis opening towards the right side, that is 4x. 4 into 2 is 8x. That's it. Let us move on to the next problem. Focus 0, minus 3 and the directrix is y is equal to plus 3. Now what is given? The focus s is equal to 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3 means, so since a is negative, a is equal to 3, therefore the axis of the parabola is y-axis. The axis of the parabola is y-axis. So hence the required equation is x square is equal to minus 4ay, because given the directrix y is equal to 3, y is equal to a. So therefore the axis of the parabola is y-axis. Equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. So a parabola which is opening downwards, x square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4 into a is 3 into y. That's equal to minus 12y. So the required equation is x square is equal to minus 12y. So a parabola which is opening downwards, for this the directrix is y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to plus 3. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? Vertex 0, 0 and focus is minus 2, 0. Now what is given? Vertex is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0 and the focus f is equal to minus 2, 0. That is a is negative again here. So the axis of the parabola is x-axis. Axis is x-axis. So therefore the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4x. Since the focus is negative, equation of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4x. So therefore the required equation is minus 4a is 2 into x. That's nothing but y square is equal to minus 8x is the equation of the parabola. So hope you followed all these types of, so we have discussed it regarding the different types of parabolas and the problems related to that, finding the points, and suppose whenever the points are given, finding the equation of the parabola. Hope you followed. These are few problems related to the different types of parabolas, right? So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.